सुबह उठ के फर्स्ट यूरिन पीना अपना है, फर्स्ट यूरिन पीना। सब फाइटर लोग ये करते हैं, कोई तकलीफ नहीं रहेगी, कभी कुछ नहीं होगा, फर्स्ट यूरिन पीना।
मुझे चाहिए आपका सिर्फ 3 दिनों का कमिटमेंट। 3 दिनों में आपका 2 किलो तक वेट कम करा दूंगी।
Scrolling through random Instagram fat loss advice, let me save you the time because 95% of this advice is completely useless. Instagram has become this wild west of fat loss advice, and today we are going myth hunting. From fat burning powders to just drinking cumin water hacks, we are going to be breaking down the worst Instagram fat loss advice and tell you exactly what works based on science. Because here's the truth. 95% of this advice is not only ineffective but dangerous for your health. So let's go. Let's start with the biggest scam of all, fat loss burners and magical supplements. Let's watch this video.
उसका एक भाई दुश्मन है, बेली फैट को उड़ा के फेंक देगा। अगर आप भी वेट लॉस करना चाहते हैं तो ये रील आपके लिए ही है। आज आपको ऐसे 2 सप्लीमेंट्स के बारे में बताऊंगा जो आपके वेट को बहुत तेजी से घटाएंगे। जी हाँ, पहला जो आएगा सप्लीमेंट वो होगा L-कार्निटाइन। जी हाँ, ये आपके फैट को तोड़कर आपको देगा एनर्जी, आपके फैट को कन्वर्ट करेगा एनर्जी में। ठीक, दूसरा आएगा योहिम्बाइन HCl। जी हाँ, ये आपकी भूख को कम करेगा, वेट को लॉस करेगा और खास तौर से भाइयों को जो दिक्कत होती है ना बेली फैट को, उसका एक भाई दुश्मन है, बेली फैट को उड़ा के फेंक देगा।
So he's talking about the best supplements for weight loss. He talks about L-carnitine and yohimbine HCl. We covered L-carnitine in our previous video where we went through the details of the studies that indicate L-carnitine is a complete waste of your money. Watch that video to gain insights about L-carnitine. The biggest problem with these fat loss burners is they promise faster metabolism, overnight results and zero efforts. But studies show that most over-the-counter fat burners are glorified caffeine pills. And when you mix them with poor hydration, sleep and anxiety, you are not burning fat, you are burning out. So unless your doctor recommends this supplement for medical reasons, do not consume these fat burners. Next up is detox water for belly fat. Let's watch.
कैसे हो आप सब लोग, भोलेनाथ की जय। आज मैं आपको एक आयुर्वेदिक ड्रिंक बता रहा हूं जिसका रिजल्ट आपको 5 दिन में दिखना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा और गारंटी कर रहा हूं 15 से 20 दिन में 5 किलो वेट कम होने लग जाएगा।
So he's talking about some Jeera weight loss drink which will help you lose belly fat, which is obviously not the case because the only way to lose belly fat is a simple calorie deficit plan. Detox is a marketing and wellness fraud term used by these health illiterate influencers to fool the public. The truth is your liver and kidney detoxes everything 24/7. You do not need lemon water. Sure, infused water is tasty, but calling it detox is like calling air fat free. Next up is the 3-day only water challenge.
वेट कम करना बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल लगता है, उसका प्रोसेस मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप सिखाती हूँ। मुझे चाहिए आपका सिर्फ 3 दिनों का कमिटमेंट। 3 दिनों में आपका 2 किलो तक वेट कम करा दूंगी और आपको यकीन हो जाएगा कि भाई आपका भी वेट कम हो सकता है और अपने टारगेट वेट पर पहुंच सकते हैं। इसके लिए आपको अंडर गाइडेंस करनी होगी 3 days वाटर फास्टिंग, जो नाम से पता चल रहा है कि 3 दिन आपको सिर्फ पानी पर ही जिंदा रहना है।
This sounds heroic but feels like a punishment. You lose weight but feel dizzy and binge eat right after. There's no long-term benefit. It's just short-term stress. Next up is the 21 days smoothie diet.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing.
If your entire diet comes from these smoothies, then you're missing out on fiber, protein and satiety. And guess what? Your metabolism pays the price. Next up is only salad diet plans. 7 days of just salads. Amazing.
'Cause I love it when my name slips out your mouth.
3 kg weight loss and in 7 days. Wow. You see, fiber is great, but only greens is equal to nutritional deficiency. You need protein, carbs and fats, all of them. When did eating become a punishment? Next is the spices and sips fat scams. Let me explain. Cumin, ginger, lemon, the same thing all over again. Here's one thing that just never goes. Drinking lemon, ginger, and cumin for fat loss first thing in the morning. Listen, they are great spices, but they aren't fat dissolvers. Drinking spicy lemon water might wake you up in the morning, but it won't target the fat cells. If cumin worked, then every Indian grandma would be ripped. Next up is the timing tricks and one size fit fails.
डे 1 इंटरमीडिएट फास्टिंग वेट लॉस डाइट प्लान। एम्प्टी स्टमक आपने सिर्फ पानी पीना है। 16 घंटे आपका फास्टिंग टाइम रहेगा, 8 घंटे आपका ईटिंग टाइम रहेगा। रात के 7:30 बजे से लेके अगले दिन के 11:30 बजे तक आप सिर्फ पानी पी सकते हो, ग्रीन टी पी सकते हो, ब्लैक कॉफी पी सकते हो। फर्स्ट मील आपने 11:30 बजे कंज्यूम करनी है। इसमें एक स्टफ पनीर बेसन चिल्ला लेना है।
Intermittent fasting for 16 hours. It works great for some people, but it's not magic. If you fast for 16 hours and still overeat processed food in the remaining 8 hours, you won't lose fat. Instead, you should maintain a calorie deficit plan which is in accordance with your fat loss goals. Next up is the one size fit all diet plans.
मैं डाइट नहीं करता हूँ। मैं बहुत बेसिक स्प्राउट्स खाता हूँ, ग्रिल्ड चिकन खाता हूँ, ब्रोकली खाता हूँ और
Sprouts, grilled chicken, broccoli are great choices by the way.
और अगर मैं किसी दोस्त के घर बैठा हूँ, उन्होंने खाना किया है,
Dal is also a good choice.
biryani, whether they have roti, whether they have parathas, whether they have ghee, whether they have whatever it may be, lassi.
What worked for your favorite influencer might wreck your energy. Your genes, hormones, and lifestyle are unique. There is no ideal plan for everyone. So don't depend on these influencer diet plans. Maintain a simple calorie deficit plan, exercise, focus on good sleep, and you will get your results. Next up is only exercise-based weight loss plans. "50 times stupid exercises." Firstly, if you want to lose weight, you need to have a good diet plan and an exercise plan. Doing exercises like this is pointless. Instead, you should focus on a good push-pull legs routine along with cardio. If you just hit the gym, you won't lose fat. Exercise supports weight loss, but nutrition drives it. You can't outrun a bad diet. Even marathoners can gain weight if they eat in a caloric surplus. The next trend is the weirdest trend, and trust me when I say that.
There is a very good switch word which you have to just repeat 108 times before and after food. So the switch word is curve, listen,
Switch
move.
word.
Try this and see the change.
Say curve, listen, move, and lose fat. That's not a fitness tip. That's a mantra generator. Your fat cells don't care how you whisper. Spiritual practices are great for the mind, but they don't burn visceral fat.
सुबह उठ के फर्स्ट यूरिन पीना अपना है, फर्स्ट यूरिन पीना। सब फाइटर लोग ये करते हैं, कोई तकलीफ नहीं रहेगी, कभी कुछ नहीं होगा, फर्स्ट यूरिन पीना। 15 दिन मैंने ये किया। 15 दिन के बाद जब एक्सरे निकाला गया, डॉक्टर दंग रह गए, बोलते सीमेंटिंग कैसे हुआ। और जो मैं निकलने वाला था 2 या 2.5 महीने में अस्पताल के बाद काम करने वाला था, वो विद इन मंथ एंड हाफ में शुरू हो गया।
Scientifically speaking, urine is your body's waste. It is composed of toxins, salts, and even bacteria. Re-ingesting that urine is creating excessive stress on your kidney and actually worsens dehydration. You're also risking dangerous infections and electrolyte imbalances. Stick to clean water and do not follow this fitness advice of drinking urine. There are some groups in India that still follow such practices. Drinking urine was first publicized by Prime Minister Morarji Desai, who said that it is a natural detox to your body, but there is no scientific evidence to prove this fact. So stick to clean water. Instagram fat loss advice thrives on only one thing, your frustration. They know you've tried every single thing for weight loss. So they feed you hacks, cleanses, and detoxes to get those fast results. But you deserve more than short-term starvation and long-term disappointment. If you're serious about your health, then focus on a sustainable and nutritious diet. Prioritize sleep, recovery, and working out. Work with a real expert rather than a filter-wrapped fitness ad. No smoothies, no starvation. Just evidence-based medicine for real people with real lives. And if this video helped you even a little bit, then hit that like button and share your weight loss journey in the comment section. Remember, you don't need more filters. You need actual science that works.